But with that said, as I've gotten older and have evolved over the past 3 years of doing this, for over 3 years, there is once in a while where I will go for a home run trade. I will hold longer, right? The trader I was 3 years ago is not the trader I am today. But anyways, here we go. Frick, 7 seconds to the bell. Everyone take a shot of coffee.
Market is open.
I'm not really Catholic. That was probably disrespectful. Ah, shoot. I can't get these opening day breaks. With 450 shares, I could have made a lot of money. I mean, with the only using 450 shares. If I would have used 2,700 shares, it would be up $3,000 right now. I don't like to get super aggressive in the morning right away when the bell rings, but I took 450 shares, 450 in, 450. I almost made $1 a share. I don't know what it is, but I know that I almost made $1. In at 60, out at 12.40, so 80 cents a share. If I would have been in, I should have just been in, but the reality is, boys, I guess there is no reality. That's my fault. Yeah, $12,000 yesterday profit. That's sucks. Why is my dog barking? Wow, this is not fun. Gosh darn. See, this is the kind of stuff that if you're not good with computers, you're stuck playing with your chart instead of trading. Here I am stuck freaking God dang it, bro. Oh well. I need to figure out a better way. I'm a bit sluggish when it comes to $272. We can't forget about the resumption on what's it's called. This looks a little safe. I just caught the one bounce off the low there. This might be down here. The volume profile and the pattern on this look terrible. Hold on here, boys. So this one's not too bad here. I probably should have stayed in it, but see, I knew it. I knew it that I shouldn't have. Okay, we got to go back to this. What's the deal on this? This resumes in a minute. We'll come back to this. DTSS. Resumption at 10:50. Oh no. I hope that's not true. That might change. Oh no. Resumption at 10:50? Please tell me that's not true. I mean, I'm not in it. Some poor bugger's in it, but I'm not. If that's true, that's a 2-point loss. Whew. I don't know if that's true or not. We'll see here. We got about 5 seconds. If that's true, that's not good. It's only 10:50. Usually that's correct. I don't know. Oh, shoot. Oh, God, that sucks. Oh, gosh, that sucks. GG. GG. Brutal. Frick. Okay, this is a great example why the trading farmer doesn't buy into halts. Because even the first halt can turn very bad. Can be very bad. Yeah. Welcome to day trading, guys. I feel vindicated because so many people were like, "Oh, you should be getting in on these halts." I'm like, "Yep, you come to me maybe a week from now when you just lost a huge amount of money in one trade." Sorry. Now I sound like a piece of crap. Try. We can tell I tried there. I can tell that this thing's a little shaky. I'm going to wait for DTSS to cool off. Looks like it actually has. Okay. And part of me thinks I need to be over at DTSS. Fucking shit. I'm just gonna take it. Sorry, I've been cussing so much. I just gotta replace with cuss. What the cuss? I thought we were about to take off there. What the cuss, bro? Okay, CNVS is not doing well anyway, so we gotta come back over here. This thing's got a weird candle or a weird. This is stressful. We had a big buyer there for some reason. Gotta cut it. This thing's not amazing. It's not terrible, but certainly isn't freaking amazing. Definitely has nice range though, and I may have missed a good portion of that. I missed a dip there. Ah, shit. Ah, it's kind of not the best. Hmm. Kind of looks like a double top to me. It might rip through here. I can't say that this is the best action I've seen, but it is nice. We're having nice up and down, which is nice. Oh, I don't even have this pulled up here. Not holding into a resumption. It's now chasing halt levels. I'm going to come down on share size. Taking a $300 loss there. I shouldn't be. What the heck? Of course, I took a huge loss there. Yeah, I didn't get on rhythm of this one. Just halt already. I'm afraid the halt level is going to move up again. Oh, what? You see that? That's the top. Somehow I went to 1489. I hit sold and it filled me at 1407. That's too bad. I lost a lot of money on that when I should have made a lot of money on it. I got in at 1427 on the dip perfectly. It goes to 1489, but by the time I sell, I sold back at 1407. So the fills on this were not super awesome for me. I'm not hitting it where I should. We're getting resistance here. This seems like the top. I had 16 drawn out as a daily level. I think we'll break it today. It's not maybe right this second. I'm keeping an eye on this because the 5-minute on this looks kind of good. That's sort of the deal. All down on this is 10. Is 11. I'm cutting it there. There's just too much resistance. Maybe I made a mistake. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Nah. It's choppy. It's choppy. You can make money in here, but I'm getting kind of prepared for a possible flush. $11. Seems like it's getting hammered. One, two, three, four, 5 red candles in a row. What does that mean? I don't know. Brutal. That was a false breakout right there. 41 likes already, guys. Appreciate it. We're up almost 6,000. This might be a bad idea. Trying to see if we get a run to VWAP here. Normally I wouldn't trust this, but it's a hotter market. Yeah, I'm gonna get out there break even. Okay, that one's garbage. Oh my gosh. That might fall into a flush. That's insane. I don't know. For some reason. We got a This might be the top here. CNVS is total crap. Alt up to 697. Took a massive loss there. I mean, not massive, but pretty big. I thought we'd get a rip there for a second. Did I lose $1,000? How much did I lose? I'm gonna size down here. Ah, shoot. I might be in too high. Yeah. Shoot. Gave back a lot of money there. I gave back probably almost $1,000. So it's quick. That's the beauty of these high spread stocks. The beauty of doing the 50-50 with high spread stocks is I can explain more on it later. I don't think I got any money on that. This 80,000 share seller up there. I missed this pullback. I'm sizing down because for whatever reason, I'm just not nailing them. Which maybe is a bad idea. The thing is, we're getting rips, but we're not getting the bid to come up very quickly. So liquidity is very poor. And if everybody's doing the 50-50, that makes it really hard. Problem with the 50-50 is it just takes liquidity. That's 99% of the time we're just taking liquidity. So it can create these very choppy markets. And actually, it's people like us, the 50-50 scalpers, that make it hard for people like Ross, who are looking for more liquidity, looking for more stability, when we benefit off of volatility straight. I mean, I'm not saying we totally wreck it, but I don't know. This seems like the top. I took $1,000 off the highs here on this, so I don't know if I want to take any more losses. What? Oh, come on. Give it up, DTSS. Slow order fill. Very illiquid up here. Bought a little late, sold a little late. Missed it. 963. I got smoked. This might be the top here. Experienced traders are starting to get probably a little bit nervous up here. $47 likes already. 1797. Wait. Whoa. What did you say? 1797 is all-time high? We have this 70,000 share seller up here, which is scary. He's popped up before. He's popped up before, and it's like, okay, what's the deal here? I see 70,000 shares for sale. Is it legit? I think it's just a scare. You're up 8.5 on the date. Could be up more, I suppose. Hmm. Apparently, it doesn't. I missed that trade already. Sitting here dancing around. I gotta be smart with how I'm doing this. Does pop up with regularity. Spreads in this are huge. I, I don't know what I was up to on this, but I know I'm not at my highs, which kind of bugs me. I'll take the win. It was like a $200 win. This thing's starting to get on backside a little bit, but these dips are still good. You just got to be careful. What kind of scares me is that 70,000 share seller that we were seeing up here, because that's the kind of seller that can walk this thing down lower than you would think. How many months is 39 months? Calculator. 3.25. Wait for a dip. Trying to see. All down is 1447. Hmm. I think I took a bit of a loss there. Not a surprise. It's just because of that 70,000 share seller that I'm sort of just not really vibing with these dips. That was a little bit more than a dip. And that bid did not come up with it. I think I took a loss in that as well. Yeah. $100 loss. Okay, so finally CNVS is coming up towards VWAP. Possible short squeeze, but that's a different kind of style of trading. We're not doing that right now. 5 minute is a 2-bar pullback right now. That can change. Is this thing just going to Christmas down? I'm going to stay out of it. I don't want to be Christmasing this thing down. We'll wait for a clear entry. So yeah, I mean 25,000 Monday, 12,000 Tuesday, 8,000. This is not normal. So for you guys that are new here, this is not normal. There's going to be time when there's going to be nothing to trade. I got to cut that. That's too bad. I actually made a little bit of money on it. I was looking for that to quickly reverse. I don't want to get too stubborn on this bastard. Oh, I did not mean to buy there. I almost double clicked as well. I'm going to hold it. Yeah, shit. She's at the Sanfords. I did not mean to click that. She probably forgot it. I lost about $700 in that trade. That sucks. I had like one of those like finger jitters. Got me good. That sucks. Yeah, this thing Christmas. Sure enough, Christmas tree. 30 cents. 30 cents. Ah, shoot. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I know how this sometimes goes. Sometimes turns into just it going straight down for the rest of the day. And then next thing you know, you've lost everything. That's a papooey day when that happens. Gotcha. Yeah, Frank. Yep. Forexillion ELWS. There's the rebound off of ascending support. That's not a surprise, really. Buying a little high here again. Getting in a little. So far, the Mardi Gras baby has been good luck. Wasn't sure if it was good. I figured that was a dumb trade. How much did I lose on that? 596. Wow. Doesn't take much to lose a lot. That's for sure. That's for sure. It doesn't take much to lose a lot. Go down to 900. Gotta cut it. It's not quite like it was before. This is tougher. Wow. It struggled a lot to break through that cellar there, and I had to cut it. I got 300 bucks out of it, but man, brutal. I thought we would break it. Wow. $270 gone. Doesn't take much to lose a lot on this. That's for sure. What else is moving? This is starting to lose my interest. CCG. Okay. Ah, there it goes. Kind of choppy. Not really, I guess. It didn't go. I want to keep my eye on CNVS just in case things heat up here on that one. Fortunately, this one is not so good right now. Oh. I seen this get bought up almost into a false breakdown rip, but that only happened for a second, and then now it's kind of being held down again. I feel like it's just being walked down potentially. It's looking like it may be over on this ticker, but I want to stick around because sometimes we bottom out and then we make one last push high. But I don't want to be in this for a Christmas tree, which is every second that goes by, it feels more and more like Christmas. Yeah, we fell through ascending support. My rules state to cut it. My rules are to, when it does that, let it go. Anything can happen, but So how are you guys doing today? Let's get the poll going, boys. Twin, good morning, Twin. Good morning, Twin. Start poll. Green or red. We might have a bottom here. Gotta cut it. I had to cut it. It's too bad. Ah, shoot. Sure enough. I had the right freaking idea. Ah, man, that sucks. That could have been $1,000. That's my bad. My B. Some people are red. Okay, careful if you're red. I'm telling you, today might not be a very forgiving day. I had the right idea on that. I could have made about $1,000. That's the frustrating part. Come back to that 5-minute. The 5-minute chart looks very broken. Okay. Sort of waiting for things to evolve. Oh, there's our 70,000 share seller. He was visible there for a second. I was about to say that 70,000 share seller might be coming back to haunt us, and here he is. He was there just a second. There he is. Wow, he's probably gonna fill. I gotta get my coffee though. We had this baby boiling. Oh, CCG resumes. Oh, I'm not in it. Darn it. Darn it. This looks light volume. This is the kind of stock you can make a lot of money on, but don't come crying to me when you get screwed in the you know what. We're gonna go test that 70,000 share seller. Selling 2/3 there. Getting orders on the ask. I'm just going to cut it. I got scared. Reset for another trade. See, I should have kept my order in place. Why am I a pussy? Ah! I should have kept my order in place. I think I burned my coffee. Sold out at 14.77. It went another almost $1 a share. That would have been an extra $900. I'd be up 10 grand on this. Break at 15.50 is my target. It was weak. It ended up going just a little bit more from where I got out. I took a decent sized loss on that. Basically break even trade, but ugh. I think I burned my mushroom coffee. That's too bad. That puts me up 10,000 on the day. I don't know why I bought that. That was probably the ugliest trade I've ever taken. Cost me 200 bucks. Well, there it goes. Freaking hell. Took a $700 loss there and a rip. Shit. Again, you get a little too greedy. You don't want to take the loss, and then you take a huge loss like that. Sucks. I blame it on my burnt coffee. Oh, back up to 1537. Wow. You can't make this stuff up. My coffee's burnt. Yeah, I took a bigger loss there in that last trade. It was stalling, so the indication was it's not looking so good, but I still wanted to try to hold it. Quite frankly, this thing just seems to be going gosh darn sideways. Ah. But no, I have no comments about Travis Kelsey. None. None. None about our boy Travis. Yeah, 24-12. So far, 9.5. How much did I do lose there? Not a whole lot. I lost $200. Try to go for the bottoming tail. Honestly, I bought it way too late. I shouldn't have been with 2,700 shares. Yeah, I already missed the dip. Okay. Just lost $600 in the last bit. I'm definitely $1,200 from my highs, which is not a big deal. I mean, psychologically, it's not 10,000. For some reason, 10,000 is kind of where things become better. I mean, not better, but you you cross over 10,000, it feels a little different. 1380 back up there. out of all the markets. So I had the right idea. That's too bad. Just gotta wait for a trade that makes sense to me. This one did, but then I don't know. Oh shoot. I'm getting slow execution fills. I gotta start buying in the right spots if I'm gonna make this work. I'm going down to 450 until I can get my crap figured out. Till I can get my crap figured out. It only takes like one small trade on this. I mean, small, but also big. It's just one small trade. We could be up 10, 12, 13,000. But I'm kind of waiting for that entry, and I'm a little, I'm a little scared. I'm up 8.9 now. The 5 minute, we're right at this ascending support, which is huge. Just huge. Could be setting up for a big flush here. Interesting. Got to get these dips. Dirty bat buggers. How much did I lose on that? $100. Nah. I gotta be smart how I do this. Ah, frick, I had the right idea. Hmm. What's the low on this candle? What's the low here? 1379. The problem is I can tell volume is dying here. This could be a flush. I got to be careful. I'm starting to get zoomed in a little bit. Ugh. Ah, frick. See, okay, I can go down to 900. Yeah, this is looking like a flush. I'm gonna stay clear here. Got up to 9,000 on this. We got to see a rebound. It's fighting there, but I don't know. What's the daily chart on Hollow? $42. It's an inside day. I think our best bet is to stay with DTSS and wait to see if we get a rebound. I think our best bet is to watch DTSS. It feels like we're kind of getting on the backside of this thing here. Do you find price lines or trend lines more reliable? I don't find any. They're I think they're about equal. It depends on kind of the chart what it looks like. It went from up 10 to only up 8.6. We're gonna see if we get a massive false breakdown. At this point, volume's too late. Too late. Hollow, I don't like the price. Like if that one I would feel better buying and holding. I think. This one we're gonna be patient. Something has to happen. You watch the volume down there, it's just gone. So this is a patience game. 67 likes already. Appreciate it, guys. Okay, careful. I'm probably gonna dial down to 900. No, don't get in. It's light volume. Chances of it bouncing here is low. This is borderline flush. No, I don't want it. Don't tell me it's gonna go here. That fell pretty hard. I got terrible fills. 1468. That's that. Careful. This is a flush. 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 Got me up back up to 9.2. Okay. False breakdown. Oh, I got a high fill. Adding to 1800 for a false breakdown rip. I gotta cut it. Probably a bad idea. 21. Oh, I didn't lose too much. 8.6. Yeah, I don't know. This thing's just kind of the market. You can tell has really slowed down so far today. Oh, thanks, Grouch. I forgot it's Valentine's Day. I got to get my gifts together. The 5-minute on this looks kind of good. I'm not going to lie. 5-minute looks kind of good on this. I've been getting some slower order executions. Yeah, I'm already in trouble. No, I got the gifts. I got the gifts. I gotta work on the delivery because apparently that's a big part of it too. Seems like buyers are maybe coming back in here. Inside of a new car. Oh gosh. I don't want to have to deal with Valentine's Day. I don't care. Don't care. Ugh. Just a little bit laggy, if I was to be honest. Just a little laggy, if you was to ask me. Ah, shoot. Just a little freaking laggy, if you ask me. But man, dude, I had the right idea on this. I totally effed it up. Now it's too extended. I mean, I made money. I'm not going to complain, but not a whole lot. In at 16, out at 16, 17, and 12. That ain't 16, 12 is not 1650. I can tell you that much. I had a feeling this was to do this. See that lag? So annoying. Is anybody else having lag? Let's get a poll going here, boys. Down $75 with 10 shares, 3 times. So the max loss thing is that's absolutely terrible. But $75, you know, that's good. It's not a lot of money. That's my point. But yeah, I do know the pain of that. So we had to lay a hand on Alejandro and we had to pray over him because he's going to have one shitty day. Let's just cut straight to the point. But I've gone through a lot of those. Every trader has to. Breakout here, 16. I froze on the plate. I don't know. The lag is sort of getting me. It's turning me off. But yeah, I could have got that. Yeah, dang nabbit. I mean, don't talk about it. That's my sticky note, along with my rules over here. If you haven't been watching the latest videos, watch it. Hit the like button. Trading Farm is desperate for your love. So I need all the help I can get. Let's go check on the Discordy. Looks like Heaven with a D up to 1,000. Good. Members, let's see what's going on in here. Mike Rice. I like have not. Brosiv. I don't like the breakouts out here because this thing is, in my mind, gonna flush. Where were you? I know. You left your phone here? Okay, well, when I'm done getting destroyed on my stream, we'll go to Starbucks. I knew this was going to be the direction of the price. Actually, I shouldn't say I knew. I didn't know anything, but I saw the potential. The reason being is because I've seen this kind of pattern before. I've traded DTSS before. Not that this is exactly how it traded last time, but it's like muscle memory. Okay, and I can't stress that enough, is being able to read the rhythm. Showing up every day and practicing is fundamental. Okay. And not everybody is going to be, interested in day trading enough to stick around for the 1, 2, 3, 4 years it maybe takes you, if you were to succeed, to have that muscle memory built up. So that's why I'm going to shut up and focus on trading, because I've already missed it. I messed up. I gotta get back dialed in here. Let that pull back. I should have just kept talking. I would have saved money if I would have just kept talking. Anyways, what sucks? What sucks about it? Because I guarantee it's because you don't know how to use it. This is getting tricky. This is getting tricky. Well, Christine, what's the problem? No, here, go sentence.